After an epic day riding the $1 Million Highway, we did not expect much crossing Colorado on Highway 50. Boy, were we wrong. It was on this stretch of the road that we discovered the Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. The two words I would use to describe this park: steep and deep. The views from their observation deck are amazing, and truly, it's hard to get a picture of this place to do it any justice. This park definitely gets overshadowed by the bigger, more well-known parks, but don't let size fool you. It's definitely worth the stop. Until next time, keep the dirty side down.